All right, next, guys, we want to talk about what to do in an offensive corner kick situation. So as you can see back here, we have our goalie, right D, center D, left front D, right front D, pushing up a little bit. We have our left mid, our right mid over here. And then we have up here our left forward, right forward, and our center. Now this is an offensive strategy. If our corner kick is coming from the left side here, we want to give our kicker some options. In this case, we would take our left forward, and the left forward would ideally be the kicker. Possibly the left mid, but generally the left forward. So that leaves us four guys here to potentially pass it to. In this case, our left front D can push up here, and our right front D can push more to the center here. That's the only time in a corner kick is when you guys can play right up on that middle line. Otherwise, we want you back further. Now, as the corner kick proceeds, this is kind of the strategy here, is your striker is just going to be right in front of that goal. You can move back and forth. Okay? The right forward is going to be way up here, catching the back door, ready to go here or here, wherever the ball might go. The right mid is ready to crash in, and the left mid is basically most likely the person who's going to get the pass. And this guy's got to do a lot of work to get open for that left forward to hit him. If this left forward feels pretty confident that he can cross it in front of the goal, that's what we want to do. But if they're walling us off here, and it looks like there's no way to get the ball here, then the left mid is the ideal person. Keep in mind, on an offensive corner kick, that the left mid and the right mid need to be ready to hustle back in the case that they're able to surge forward, okay? Because our left front D and our right front D are going to be playing up there. So that's what a corner kick is going to look like. We want to be actively looking to engage in a strike position there.